Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your American Express Bank with the Acorns app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and fund your Acorns app with your American Express Bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, log on to the Acorns app. Next, click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. Then go into Settings. Then click on Linked Accounts. Next, click on Link Another Account. And then it's either going to ask you to verify your account with your phone number, or if you've already verified, you could actually connect your bank account. So scroll down until you find American Express and click on American Express. And then from this page here, it should actually prompt you to log in to the American Express bank account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.